Yeah, you one of them. Well, my guy, where you go position? Man, you're more than
the Hajj committee. I think somebody is representing the committee here. Yeah. National Commission. Yeah. The Federal Airport Authority, my sole administrator, our intending Hajj pilgrims. Our visit here this evening is very simple. I don't want to repeat what the sole administrator has already mentioned here. Is to come and see your faces and wish you well. And to also say your privilege to embark on this spiritual journey. What you owe the country and the state is prayers for a better country and a better state. We believe strongly that you are going to be very great ambassadors to us. You will not do anything to bring any form of shame to us. So I want to join the Hajj Commission. I want to join everyone who has supported one way or the other to make this a reality. To say, Johnny, mercy, come back with blessings that will bring development and growth to our dear country. I have a small problem here. The problem now is I came to see that of my state, but I'm seeing a lot of other states, southeast, and how am I going to manage it now? Let it don't look like I only love my children, I don't love the one outside. But whichever way, I will see what I can do to reach everyone, very little way we can. But first, you're blocking me. Chief. I want to see my own contingents first, before the general one. So we support you. We know that we had small shortage in what you're supposed to travel with. We have made the PTO, we have made small arrangements to augment it so that you can buy your own cow and do your own ram and do what you're supposed to do for us, eh? God will bless you too, eh? Thank you. Thank you.
I want to say assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to the 30 pilgrims here present. And I want to use this video to appreciate Mr. Governor, His Excellency the Governor of Rivers State, for his good work, the love and compassion he has for the Muslims. We cannot underscore the importance of this movement to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The governor has contributed a lot to see that you go this year, and the one request I want you to do for him is to pray for him to overcome all his adversaries. For him to do this tenure successfully, and second tenure successfully, and to Mr. Governor, please, the Muslims love you so much. Always look after them.
Your Excellency, before you, the state contingents, we have 47 state-sponsored pilgrims plus one private pilgrim who will be embarking on this year's Hajj. Your Excellency, indeed, the Muslim Ummah in the state are excited. They are happy for what you have done for the Muslim Ummah, right from the inception. Your inception as governor of the state, the welfare of Muslims in this state have been paramount. We don't know what to say. What you've done for us, it is only prayers, Your Excellency, that we say thank you. And also be peace and love, peaceful and law-abiding citizens. Before you hear those pilgrims who are leaving the shores later this evening to perform the Hajj rites for this year. Your Excellency, without the Almighty God, then yourself, your humble self, this exercise wouldn't have been success. As you are aware, Your Excellency, we had issues on Hajj subsidy. First governor in the nation to fulfill that. Your Excellency, you are also the first governor in this country who paid the Hajj dues when due, meet the deadline. It's something we need to say thank you, and God bless you, Your Excellency. Airport Management in charge of policy, personnel management, and also here to see the inaugural flight. Thank you, Southeast.
Excuse.
Where my guy? Where you go position? Man, I'm out.